Here we have a food service company that has grown into a global corporation specializing in Korean, Japanese, and Western cuisines. Listen to the story of Didim, which has been leading the Korean food service industry with a whole new perspective. Didim, which started as a plant for livestock and food products in 2006, has grown into a global corporation that holds more than 40 Korean, Japanese, and Western cuisine brands, franchises, and directly managed businesses, and is leading the way in promoting Korean food service culture. Didim strives to offer food that everyone can trust and enjoy. A friendly and homey restaurant franchise, Mapo Karmegi. A seafood restaurant franchise, Yeon Sikdang, which opened its 200th branch in just a year and a half. Gore Sikdang, which offers a healthy meal with delicious braised fish and radish greens and brazier grilled fish that is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Misulkwan, a place where you can be immersed in memories while enjoying food and drinks. And Gonghwachun, the first Chinese restaurant to introduce jjajangmyeon in Korea, which Didim developed into a franchise brand. By running these great franchise brands, Didim is creating a wonderful food culture that everyone can experience. To offer the finest flavors and service in this fiercely competitive food service industry, we manage and operate our restaurants ourselves. Baekjaewon, a Korean cuisine franchise that follows the philosophy of the ancient kingdom of Baekje, offering simple, delicious dishes and course menus. Harladang, a franchise specializing in grilled Jeju pork aged at low temperature. Bansang, a Korean restaurant franchise where you can enjoy traditional Korean cuisine at reasonable prices and in friendly environment. And Tokyo Hana, a franchise specializing in Korean-style Japanese course menus, are all directly managed and operated by Didim with the utmost care. Didim is also strengthening its competitiveness, offering food service spaces where people can experience and enjoy different Korean, Japanese, and Western restaurant brands Didim has. What we truly want is to provide consumers with quality food made with our stable systems and processes. To provide consistent experience and flavors to the customers at any of our restaurants, we stably supply the best ingredients with our HACCP certified manufacturing facilities that are committed to maintaining the highest standards possible. Didim is now preparing for another. Ever since opening the first franchise restaurant in Hong Kong in 2015, Didim has opened and has been operating over 40 franchises across 9 countries around the world. Didim will continue to move forward to become a leading global food service company and aim to open its 100th franchise overseas. Since 2017, Didim is the only Korean restaurant franchise company listed on the Korean Stock Exchange and continued to its growth. To become a leading Korean restaurant franchise company in the world, Didim will not stop its effort to create better taste and cultural heritage for Korean cuisine. Our journey continues. Didim.